Hey everybody, this is my official unboxing video for Matt Tommey's Created to Thrive mentoring program. So I have been a member for a little over a year, and before I joined the program I got Unlocking the Heart of the Artist on Amazon. It's by Matt Tommey, Matt, T-O-M-M-E-Y. Fabulous book. I read this one, and then this past year he also came out with Created to Thrive, which is the name of his mentoring group that I joined, that's also on Facebook, and it's been a tremendous program. It's been life-changing for me. And so Matt Tommey is my mentor, and I am in his Created to Thrive program, and he walks you through step by step as an artist, a Christian artist. And it doesn't have to be a painter. You can be a sculptor or a musician or whatever your creative talent is. He accepts all creative people into his group, and it's a Christian-based program, but it's basically, more than anything, just a business-based program, and he gives you such great advice about your business, marketing, how to find a customer and client, just everything. It's just tremendous, and he gives great Christian advice every week too. So part of the program is when you get to a certain phase in the program, then you get a free package in the mail. And so my package came a day or two ago, but I didn't have a chance to do a video, and I wanted to do an official video showing this. So I'm going to open my box up and show you what he sent. And right now, he just finished this series, and I think there's over 800 people in his group now, all over the world. And it's truly a wonderful experience, and I'm going to the Gathering of Artisans in Asheville. That's coming up in 2 weekends, and I can't wait. I'm going to be taking an oil painting class, which is kind of different for me, just something out of my comfort zone a little bit. So they got it wrapped up good with all this tape. Ta-da! So I'm a thriving artist, and it's got starving artist, and it's scratched out and it says thriving artist. That is key. And there's also a hummingbird sticker, and that's what is on his Created to Thrive book. Mine is even autographed. I was very fortunate. I was at one of his classes and he autographed it for me. He's very famous. And here's my notebook. Isn't this beautiful? So I'm going to scoot up so you can see a little bit better. Created to Thrive Artist Mentoring Program. And then on the back, it has a picture of Matt, and my prayers for God to use this program powerfully in your life so you begin experiencing significant breakthrough spiritually, artistically, and in your art business. You really can start living the life God divinely designed you to live as an artist in His kingdom. Let's get started. Matt Tommey. So it is a nice 3-ring binder. And so in here, there are sections: success path, heart and mind, art, brand, business, and life. And so what happens is, while you're in the Created to Thrive program, there'll be all kinds of resources that he'll have that you can have access to. You can print it off, you can take notes. There's all kinds of neat things and activities to do and to learn. And so that's what we add to our notebooks. So this is a new notebook that I get. and I get to go see him and several hundred fabulous artists in a couple of weeks in Asheville, and I am so excited about it. And it truly has been a life-changing experience for me. So I'm hoping if you're an artist of some sort and you're Christian and you're wanting some kind of a program that will kind of help you get focused and on track, you might give this program a try. I know that I think he closed out registration to get into the class for 2018, but you can join up in the beginning of 2019. It is so worth the little bit of money that you spend every month to be a part of this program, and you're in a community of other artists like you from all over the world, and they have the same values, and we're very supportive of each other, and I am just very privileged and happy to be a part of it. So thank you, Matt Tommey, for my Created to Thrive notebook. And everybody, you have an awesome day, and check out MattTommeyMentoring.com. Thank you. Bye-bye.